Right, so I think it's Tuesday morning, and we are in near West Perry, and we stayed the night in a pub car park as long as we get food there, but we'd already booked in because we're meeting our friends Julie and Neil from Newcastle, and we have come, Julie and I, so Neil's gone to work and Julie and I have come to a pet-exercise field. I'd never heard of them. Oh my goodness, never heard of them. Apparently you can book a field online and come and exercise your dog for an hour. That's it. And apparently they're all over. There's loads of them. So farmers are putting up basically fences on their fields, and yeah, you can take your dog, book it for an hour, take your dog, it's all safe, it's all secure, and they can charge around like a loony. So we've got Tommy, I shall turn him around in a minute, charging around like a loony and enjoying himself. We walked about a mile to get here, but Julie says wherever she goes and she's booked, there's not one further than that. So they're all over. No dog training allowed, no professional services allowed, and yeah, you book it online for an hour, put in your destination. Amazing, never heard of it.
We're in a different house again, but Neil's gone to work because he's working down here, and Ju and Jimbob have gone out to walk the dog, and that just leaves me and Jimbob having breakfast.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a lovely cottage. Unfortunately they're not able to get the heating going, but thankfully it's not too cold, so there's a couple of electric heaters as well in there. So we've just had a shower, haven't we? Had a nice warm shower. And now we're just grabbing some breakfast.
If we shattered now.
We're just chasing all the birds. There he goes.
Come on then. Come here. Good boy.
That's a happy face.
You're a good lad. Nice and gently. I wish somebody give me food after it. Oh, that's a big one. Don't worry.
I've got a little bit muddy.
I've got more muddy. I've won the muddy competition.
You've won the muddy competition. Oh, what was the word?
Clarty. Clarty. A good Geordie phrase I picked up.
Would you say that I've got clarty then, or I am clarty?
I am clarty.
I am clarty.
My boots are clarty. Clarty boots.
Well, we've come out for a little walk through Perry to Grafham Water.
We heard the traffic this morning.
So this is on the south side of Grafham Water, where the Harbour View Cafe is. So go on, after you, mate. You go through there, follow Mum. That's it. Don't be slipping. It's not that muddy. Up, sludge. There. What you say?
Well, I am hungry after all, guys.
You're hungry after all, are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, it's been a shorter walk than we expected this, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you're quite happy about that, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
Yeah. And it's gone lunchtime. Has it gone lunchtime?
I remember this.
Has it gone lunchtime?
Yes. I just remember this.
You remembered it? What?
We parked here.
We did. Yesterday we came and just parked up here, didn't we, for a few hours while we were waiting for Julie and Neil to turn up. Yeah, and then we thankfully had the really nice man at the pub allowed us to stay in the pub car park then, didn't he? At the Wheat Sheaf in Perry. So.
Oh, there's what I can do with that.
Oh, then go round.
I'll show you.
No, go round. Just go through that gap. I don't want you limboing under there. And then bloody banging your head or something. Honestly, breaking the gate. You. Look at Tommy out for another walk, isn't he?
Yeah, Tommy is.
Loving it. We might be going in there. We're going to go down to the water's edge first, maybe have a little walk first, and then go. A bit breezy.
We're going to go over there in a minute. You need to be smiling because you're out with me. That's it, eh? All the way around this. 9 miles.
You have done?
Yeah.
Ah.
Cycled it as well. Me and Roxy. Oh, he's filming. Yeah, is he filming?
Yeah, no, I'm filming.
Oh
Yeah.
no,
You're in it now.
I don't want to be in it. What are you going to do? Hide. Great, you've got a lovely hair day happening with my hat hair. That's what I was to say. Nice. Yours is just all over the place. Nice.
So look. Oh, lovely.
I have loads of good hair days lately.
You do.
Look at that. All the little sailing boats. We've just had coffee and a light bite. Tommy's having another little walk. Can you hear the birds? It's a beautiful day here today. So we're going to wait for Neil to finish work, and then we'll decide whether we're going out for dinner, to the pub, or whether we're going to get a takeout in.
This is Tommy with all of his bits hanging out. Showing the world how proud he
So
is.
Tommy is obviously tired now after his walks, and he loves just a little bit of pampering. Oh, Tommy, look at your face. Look at your face. Is that nice? Oh, so tired.
His eyes shut.
No, he's still watching me. You're so tired. Go sleep, Ez.
Night night. Night.
He doesn't care, does he?
He likes to be buried. Toy doesn't like your playing, obviously. I think we've lost what you had. Okay. Right. Is this the one that you started with before? Is it what? Was it Chitty Brang Bang? Where's the answers? Is there any need? Don't.
Again. Someone's having a good time. So, piano playing, do you think you can make a good Elton John?
No, I think I will.
Trust you.
So, why did you pick this pub? Well, we've had a lovely meal. I've had the best bangers and mash ever.
Well, there you go, for the reviews of the food.
Yeah, right.
Star.
Yeah, but
And then it just happens to say
yeah.
that every other Tuesday is quiz night.
What's it called?
The Damp Messiahs. That's what we are. So are we going to win the quiz? What's the prize?
Look at the competition. I think it's a cash prize.
Oh, it's a cash prize. Oh, it's a cash prize.
£200.
What?
£200.
Really? Whoa!
I think it'd be £2.
And just to note that tonight is another big thing going on tonight. Aston Villa, my team, are playing Newcastle.
My team. And we've only just realised.
Yes, and we've only just realised.
Who's
So.
going to win, Jamie? Newcastle or Aston Villa?
Aston Villa.
Yay!
I think you made cheese and chips.
Oh no, it's lovely. Thank you. Really nice. Yeah.
Really nice.
Well, we've had a wonderful time with Julie, Neil and Tommy. So we've had another walk today. We've been out for lunch, chit-chatter, it's been lovely. So now we're on the road again. We've left them and we're on the road again, travelling to the coast to get more fresh air. Well, yes, I missed the there has been an accident somewhere. There's been police cars and ambulances, and it's busy, really busy. I think the journey's took us
Extra 45 minutes.
yeah, but it feels longer than that actually. But hey ho, you know, we're having a safe journey. We're comfy, we're warm, what more could we ask for?
Absolutely.
Look, chocolate. Chocolate would be a good thing right now, the way I'm feeling. Chocolate. Wood Hills.
Exit the roundabout.
Well, we're now in Lowestoft and we've just pulled up in their Tesco's. We're just going to nip in and get a couple of bits that we need, and then we're going to go and try and find somewhere to park up, I think close to the seafront. So, oops, look out, car. And yeah, so what was I going to say? Yeah, it should have been a 2.5 hour journey. I think it took us about 3, mainly down to I think an accident on the A47, unfortunately. But that put us about 45 minutes behind. But you been all right in the back, Jimbob?
Yeah,
Yeah, what you been up to?
I've been on my DS.
All right, playing games.
Yeah, playing my games.
Are you winning?
No, just creating people.
Just creating people.
Yeah.
We've got enough people on the planet.
Well, it's called Commodity Life anyway.
A Tomadici what?
Commodity Life.
Oh, Tomadici Life. Well, there we are then, folks. Right, we're going to go have a look around Tesco. Use a loo as well, are we? Right, you cold?
I'm cold. Yeah, I don't know why. I think because I'm tired and I'm a bit grumpy.
Oh, soon be Valentine's Day, won't it? Who are you sending a Valentine's card to?
I don't know yet.
Oh, wonder if you'll get many. Wonder if loads of girls will send you Valentine's cards.
Love that idea.
You love that idea, do you?
Yes.
I'm sure you do.
What's the point? Who are you sending a Valentine's card to?
Oh, well, who knows, eh? I'll have to think about that one this year.
Just think about it, you're already in bloody trouble.
Oh, never mind. Moving on, it's soon be Easter.
Oh,
What?
My birthday is on Easter.
It is. Your birthday's at Easter, isn't it, this year? Because Easter's early, isn't it? So.
your birthday's a couple of weeks after Easter now.
Oh, yeah, it's even earlier than your birthday. Anyway, right, let's get what we need and wander out of here.